Hello Home Chef, welcome to The Wok Life. I'm Will and this is my playground. Today I'm gonna make a very simple dish. Tomato eggs is something I love eating growing up. Very simple. We just have tomato, ketchup, corn flour with water, or called slurry, bit of spring onion, and well, eggs. With the hot wok, we're going to start off with eggs at about medium-high heat. That's okay. I don't like to pre-scramble it. I just like to drop it in here. And then I have a little bit of white, a little bit of yellow. I really like the color. Just gonna poke the yolks and just swirl around and let it cook. You want to cook it till about 70% cooked, and we're gonna pick it up, and it's gonna finish cooking with the tomatoes later. So it's about ready. I'm gonna pick it up. It's a little bit sticky. The wok didn't heat all the way through. That's what happens, but it's okay. We'll continue. And you can just scrape it off. It's okay. The wok is hot again. Tomato goes in. The tomatoes are a little bit softened. All we're gonna do is just fry up the ketchup a little bit of oil. And the ketchup goes in. And you just want to fry up the ketchup a little bit. Nice and red. Now we just add in a little bit of slurry just to thicken the sauce a little bit. The tomato has a lot of liquid today, so I don't think I need too much. Okay, it's good enough. Okay, so it's nice and thick sauce. I'm gonna salt it too. Okay, doesn't need too much. Before I forget, another thing we need is a little bit of sugar. About a teaspoon. You want to adjust it with your ketchup. If your ketchup is a bit more acidic, then you definitely want a little bit more sugar to balance it out. Now the egg slides in. And just gently push it apart, like this. You don't want to break the eggs too much. Okay. And we're ready to plate. Just gonna slide it out. It's lusciously red. I love the color of the eggs being white and yellow a little bit. And just a little bit of garnish of spring onion. And that's a tomato egg. And I'm just gonna give a little bit of taste and see what's it like. Very tomatoey, a little tangy from the ketchup. An egg is silky and smooth. Here is a family-style tomato eggs. I hope you like it and give it a try. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.